Hello friends, myself Mithroni and this is my project 5 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So as per the requirement I have to create my own website. So let's see my own website that I created for my project 5. So this is the matrimonial website that I choose for my final project. So let's see by register the user. So I am going to register one user for my website. So here I have to register. After the registration, user have to create their profile. So here one field is to choose the criteria. So I am going to choose self because I am going to uh, create my own profile. After registering, user have to create their own profile. They have to write some details. Now here I have to select my birth date. As per my birth date, the age will automatically detect. Then I have to select some criteria. So after creating my profile, it will redirect to my index page. So here I can see all the users profile, and I can also search by the age. If I search on the page, then I can see the result. I can see 24 age, the 2% is. So here I can also see by clicking on the check full profile. I can also see all the profile of the user, and I can also write some comment if the user want to comment. So here my comment is posted, and if I interested in this user, then I can also click on this button and I can see the interested person who I selected. So, and after that I can also edit my profile here. So I am going to write about myself more. So after clicking on the update, I can see on my profile that I have updated about us. So this is my project 5 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript.